Right. So today we discuss addition of matrices. For example, if A is equal to 2, 4, root 5, 1, 0, 2 and B is equal to minus 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 by 2, root 2. Find A plus B. Question is, in addition, we observe first order of A is what? So 2 rows and 3 columns, order is 2 by 3. Order is 2 by 3. And order of B is again this matrix having 2 rows and 3 columns. So order of B is also 2 by 3. So therefore matrix addition is possible. Otherwise, if orders are different, order of A is not equal to order of B, so then matrix addition is not possible. Solution: A plus B is equal to what is the matrix A? 2, 4, root 5, 1, 0, 2 plus what is the matrix B? Minus 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 by 2, root 2. Adding the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B, so that is 2 plus minus 2, 2 plus minus 2 and 4 plus 1, second element, root 5 plus 3, that is 3 plus root 5, 1 plus 2, second row, 1 plus 2, 0 plus 1 by 2, 2 plus root 2, 2 plus root 2. So that is here 2 plus of minus 2 is equal to minus 2. 2 minus 2 value is 0. 4 plus 1, 5. 3 plus root 5. 3 plus root 5. Next 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 0 plus half is equal to 1 by 2. Half. 2 plus root 2. 2 plus root 2. So this is the matrix A plus B. Here order of A is equal to 2 by 3. Order of B is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore order of A plus B is also same, 2 by 3. So therefore, now definition of addition of matrices is, if A and B are two matrices of same order, then A plus B is a matrix whose elements are obtained by adding the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B. So adding the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B, we get the matrix AB. So therefore order of A, order of B, order of A plus B, all are equal to 2 by 3. So therefore matrix addition is possible only their orders are same. Otherwise matrix addition and difference of matrices is also not possible. Next, addition of matrices. Properties of addition of matrices. Clearly here B plus A madidunu. So B plus A plus B is same as B plus A. So properties of addition of matrices. Properties of addition of matrices. The first one is A plus B is equal to B plus A. That is commutative. Matrix addition is commutative. Second one is A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. That means matrix addition is associative. Third one is A plus 0. That means O is null matrix of same order of that A is equal to 0 plus A or O plus A is equal to always matrix A. So this is always true. If A is any matrix of order m by n, O is the identity, O is the null matrix of same order of that A, then A plus O is equal to O plus A is equal to A. So O is the additive identity. Next, fourth property is A plus minus A is equal to minus A plus A is equal to additive identity element is 0. So this is always true. If A is any matrix and minus A is also matrix of same order, so A plus minus A is equal to minus A plus A is equal to 0. So that is null matrix of same order. So therefore here minus A is called the additive inverse. Additive inverse of matrix A. So these are the four properties of addition of matrices. Matrix addition is commutative, matrix addition is associative, additive identity is exist, and additive inverse is also exist in addition. Similarly, subtraction of matrices. Or difference of matrices. Difference of matrices. For example, if A is equal to 2, 3, 4, minus 2, 0, 6 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 6. So find A minus B and B minus A. Here A minus B is equal to, here what is matrix A? 2, 3, 4, minus 2, 0, 6 minus matrix B is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 6. So this value is, so A minus B, if A and B are again order of A is equal to 2 by 3, order of B is equal to 2 by 3, so orders are same, therefore difference of two matrices is possible. Addition and subtraction of matrices are possible only when their orders are same. When orders are not same, so addition and subtraction is not possible. So therefore here A minus B, B minus A is possible. A minus B is matrix, so A minus B is a matrix whose elements are obtained by subtracting the elements of matrix B from the corresponding elements of matrix A, that is 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3, next minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 0 minus 3, 6 minus 6. So that is 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 3, 1, minus 2 minus 2, minus 4, 0 minus 3, minus 3, 6 minus 6, 0. So this is the matrix of A minus B. Here A minus B is another matrix whose elements are obtained by subtracting the elements of B from the corresponding elements of matrix A. Now what is the definition of difference of two matrices? If A and B are any two matrices of same order, then A minus B is another matrix whose elements are obtained by subtracting the elements of matrix B from the corresponding elements of matrix A. So we get the matrix A minus B. Similarly, we can find the matrix B minus A. B minus A is equal to, what is matrix B? 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 6 minus matrix A is 2, 3, 4, minus 2, 0, 6. Here 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3, 3 minus 4, 2 minus of minus. So 2 minus of minus 2, 3 minus of minus 0. So 2 minus 3 minus 0, 3 minus 0, 6 minus 6, 6 minus 6. The values are 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1, 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1, 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1, 2 minus of minus plus 2, 2 plus 2 value is 4. So 3 minus 0 is equal to 3, 6 minus 6 is 0. So clearly here A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Therefore matrix subtraction is not commutative. So not commutative, associative does not holds, identity does not exist, inverse also does not exist. Differences of two matrices, only one property. So ಯಾವುದೇ property exist ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Commutative also not hold because A minus B is not equal to B minus A. So associative does not holds, identity does not exist, and inverse also does not exist. So this is the difference of two matrices. Next, scalar multiplication of A. Scalar multiplication of a matrix. Scalar multiplication of a matrix. Example, if A is equal to 1 by 3, 1, 5 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 0, 2 by 3. Find 3A value. Here A is a matrix of order 2 by 3. A is a matrix of order 3. If A is any matrix, say if A is any matrix and 3 is a scalar, suppose here 3 is a scalar, here given matrix A is 1 by 3, 1, 5 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 0, so 2 by 3. You have to find the value of 3A. So 3A means 3 is a scalar, 3 means constant, 3 is a scalar, A is a matrix. So 3 into A means scalar multiplication of a matrix, scalar multiplication of a matrix. So that is 3 is a scalar, A is a matrix. If A is any matrix, scalar multiplication of a matrix is a matrix whose elements are obtained by, suppose here 3 into A is equal to 3 into, what is matrix A? What is matrix A? 1 by 3, 1, 5 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 0, so 2 by 3 is equal to, multiply every element of this matrix by 3. So 3 into this matrix, that means you multiply every element of this matrix by 3, that is 3 into 1 by 3, value is 1, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 5 by 3, 3 cancel, that is 5. Next 3 into minus 2 by 3, that is minus 2, 3 into 0, 0, so 3 into 2 by 3, that is 2. So this is the matrix 3A. So therefore here scalar multiplication of a matrix. What is the definition of scalar multiplication of a matrix? If A is any matrix and K is a scalar, if A is any matrix and K is a scalar, then Ka is the scalar multiplication of a matrix A. Then Ka is the scalar multiplication of matrix A. Is a matrix whose elements are obtained by multiplying every element of matrix A by K. So that is the definition. Once again, if A is any matrix and K is a scalar, then scalar multiplication of a matrix A is denoted by Ka, whose elements are obtained by multiplying every element of matrix A by scalar K. So clearly here A is equal to, so 2 by 3 matrix, 3 into A, that means your scalar multiplication of matrix A is 3 into given matrix, multiply every element of this matrix by 3, so we get this matrix. So this is the 3A matrix. So this is the scalar multiplication of a matrix. Properties of if K is a scalar, A and B are any two matrices is equal to K into AB. So K into A plus B is equal to K into A plus K into B. So this is the first one. Second one is here K is a scalar and L is a scalar into A is equal to K into A plus L into A. Next, KL into A, K into L into A is equal to here KA into L ತಗೋಬೋದು or K into LA ತಗೋಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ fourth one, O is the null matrix. O into A is equal to A into O is equal to A. So these are the properties of scalar multiplication of a matrix. Next, multiplication of matrices. Right. So next is multiplication of matrices. Addition and subtraction of two matrices is exist when order of matrix A is equal to order of matrix B. So if orders are same, then addition and subtraction of two matrices is possible, otherwise not possible. In multiplication, suppose here A is equal to general matrix Aij of order m cross n, and B is a matrix of order Bij of order n cross P, then A into B is exist. Matrix multiplication is defined and its order is Cij and its order is m cross n, m cross p, that is m cross p. So therefore you observe two matrices. What is the order of matrix A? M by n. Order of matrix B is n by p. Observe this, number of columns of matrix A is n, number of rows of matrix B is n. So therefore, so these two are same. That means number of columns of matrix A is equal to number of rows of matrix B, then only matrix multiplication AB is defined. Otherwise matrix multiplication is not possible. Here order of A, order of B need not be same. So same irbodu, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. So therefore your order of matrix multiplication is exist. The condition is number of columns of matrix A is equal to number of rows of matrix B. So then only matrix multiplication A B is defined and its order is m cross P. Really first, really second matrix really last number of columns. So and its order is m by P. Next, your Cij, elements of A into B are obtained by sum of the products of ith row elements of matrix A with the corresponding jth column element of matrix B. So clear ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So first condition observe ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು. If A is a matrix of order m cross n, B is a matrix of order n cross p, then the matrix multiplication AB is defined and its order is m by p. So the condition is number of columns of matrix A is same as number of rows of matrix B, then only AB is defined. Otherwise matrix multiplication is not defined. For example, if A is equal to 2, 3, minus 2, 4 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 1. So find A into B. First of all, matrix multiplication is exist or not. Here what is the order of matrix A? Order of matrix A is 2 by 2 and order of matrix B is 2 by 3. So clearly number of columns of matrix A is same as number of rows of matrix B. If these two are same, the matrix multiplication AB is defined. So clearly number of columns of matrix A is same as number of rows of matrix B, therefore matrix multiplication A into B is defined and its order is, and the resultant matrix order is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 matrix ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. So what is the general 2 by 2 matrix? What is the general 2 by 3 matrix is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. So this is the general 2 by 3 matrix. General 2 by 3 matrix whose elements are A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. So this is the resultant matrix, right? Here what is AB? So A into B is equal to matrix A is, so 2, 3, minus 2, 4 into matrix B is 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 1. So clearly matrix multiplication is defined and its order is 2 by 3. So side ಗೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? So 2 by 3 general matrix copy ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So that means here the order of matrix AB is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 matrix and the two rows or 3 columns ಬರಬೇಕು. What is the first element in the resultant matrix? A11. A11 is obtained by sum of the product of first row elements of matrix A with the corresponding first column element of matrix B. That means sum of the product of first row of matrix A with the first column elements of matrix B. So this is the first column. So therefore here 2 into 1, so 2 into 1 plus 3 into 5. So this is the first element. So additionally, subtractionally ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು adding the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B, we get the addition of matrix. Next, difference of matrix is obtained by subtracting the elements of B from the corresponding elements of matrix A, we get the difference of two matrices. But in multiplication, so direct corresponding elements multiply ಮಾಡಬಾರದು ನೀವು. So multiplication ನಲ್ಲಿ, so first element A11 is obtained by sum of the product of first row elements with the corresponding first column elements of matrix B. So that is first row, take first row in the first matrix, first column in the second matrix, sum of the products, that means product of first element 2 into 1 plus 3 into 5, that is the first element. Similarly A12 means sum of the product of first row elements of matrix A with the second column elements of matrix B, that is 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. So this is the second element. Next, third element, first row third element A13 is obtained by sum of the product of first row elements of matrix A with the corresponding third column elements of matrix B. So this is the third column. So first row with the third column. So that is 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1. So this is the first row elements of first, second, third element. Similarly, second row elements are A21. Here A21 is obtained by sum of the products of second row elements of first matrix with the corresponding first column elements of matrix B. That is, this is the second row. So this is the second row. So the first column minus 2 into 1 plus 4 into 5. So this is the first element. Next, A22, that means sum of the product of second row with the second column elements. Second row with the second column minus 2 into 2 plus 4 into second column element. Second row, second column, second element, 4 into 3. Next, A23 is second row, third column elements. Minus 2 into 3 plus 4 into 1. So therefore, this simplify the product of two matrices. So that is 2 1s are 2 plus 3 5s are 15. Next 2 2s are 4 plus 9. 2 3s are 6 plus 3. So minus 2 plus 20 minus 4 plus 12 minus 6 plus 4. So that is 15 plus 2 17. 4 plus 9 13, 6 plus 3 9, minus 2 plus 20 18. So minus 4 plus 12 8, minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. So this is the matrix A into B, whose order is 2 by 3. Clearly, once again, if A is a matrix of order 2 by 3, 2 by 2, and B is a matrix of order 2 by 3. So number of columns of matrix A is same as number of rows of matrix B, then the matrix multiplication is exist. So clearly A into B is equal to, so A into B is equal to first matrix into second matrix. So the elements are obtained by, so adukosam ನೀವು ಒಂದು general matrix ಬರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. So AB order is 2 by, so this is 2 by 2, so this is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. If these two are same, matrix multiplication is exist, and order of AB is 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 contains, 2 into 3 matrix contains, so A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. So A11 is A11, this is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. A11 is obtained by sum of the products of first row elements of first matrix with the corresponding first column elements of second matrix. That is sum of the products of first row with first column. So 2 into 1 plus 3 into 5. Similarly, second element is first row with the second column. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. Next, A13 is first row with the third column. So 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1. Next, second row, first column. Second row, first column. Take second row, first column. Sum of the products. Next, A22 is, A22 means second row, second column. Sum of the products of second row with the second column. So that is minus 2 into 2 plus 4 into 3. Similarly, A23 is sum of the products of second row with the third column elements. Minus 2 into 3 plus 4 into 1. So after simplification, so we get 17, 13, 9, 18, 8, minus 2, and its order is 2 by 3. So this is the matrix AB. Next, B into A. So B into A is exist or not? Suppose here what is the order of B? BA is defined or not? So what is the order of B? 2 by 3, and order of A is 2 by 2. Clearly, number of columns of matrix, first matrix, is not equal to number of rows of second matrix. Here B into A means first matrix is B, second matrix is A. So number of columns of first matrix is same as number of rows of second matrix. That means these two numbers are same. Then B into A is defined. Otherwise not defined. Clearly, so these two are not equal. Here 3 is not equal to 2. That means number of columns of first matrix is not equal to number of rows of second matrix. Therefore B into A is not defined, does not exist. B into A does not, only AB is exist, BA does not exist, because number of columns of first matrix is not equal to number of rows of second matrix. BA does not exist. Matrix multiplication ಬಂದರೆ ಸಾಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Properties. Here A into B is not equal to B into A. So matrix multiplication is not commutative. So first one, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. That means distributive property holds. Or A plus B into C is equal to A into C plus B into C. So these two are distributive laws. This third one, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Here B into C, A into B. Matrix multiplication is defined. Here multiplication of matrices is defined. A into B into C is equal to AB into C. So matrix multiplication is associative. Next, fourth one, if A is any matrix and I is the identity matrix of, and I is the A plus, sorry. If A is any matrix, and I is the identity matrix of same order that of A, so A into I is equal to I into A is equal to A. This is always true. So therefore here I is called the identity, multiplicative identity. Additive identity is null matrix and multiplicative identity is identity matrix or unit matrix.